Al-Mufid, Book 1, page 18. The title, Gha, Gha, Gha. This is a heavy pronunciation letter, so make sure you pronounce it heavy. Common mistake is to pronounce it light, that is to say Gha, Gha. The correct way is to say Gha, Gha. You can feel the echo, Gha, Gha. Another common mistake is when they say Ga, Ga, similar to the English G, which is wrong. There is no Ga in Arabic. Remember the right pronunciation, Gha, short, sharp, and heavy. Gha, Gha. First line, Ta, Gha, Tha, Ta, Gha, Tha. Ta, Dha, A, Ta, Dha, A. Gha, Sa, Dha, Gha, Sa, Dha. Second line, Sha, Sa, Gha, Sha, Sa, Gha. Ja, Gha, Dha, Ja, Gha, Dha. Dha, Da, Ta, Dha, Da, Ta. Third line, Sa, A, Sha. Notice the pronunciation, light, light, light. Sa, A, Sha. Sa, Gha, Sha. See how it changes? The Gha is heavy. Sa, Gha, Sha. Sa, Gha, Sha. Gha, Da, Ta. Gha, Da, Ta. Fourth line, A, Kha, Gha. A, Kha, Gha. Dha, Za, Dha. Dha, Za, Dha. Gha, Kha, Da. Gha, Kha, Da. Fifth line, A, Ra, Ja. Remember the letter Ra, when we have fatha on top of it, it's pronounced heavy. So not Ra, it's Ra. A, Ra, Ja. A, Ra, Ja. Ra, Ha, Gha. Ra, Ha, Gha. Sha, Dha, Sa. Sha, Dha, Sa. And now we read all the letters that we've learned so far in alphabetical order with a fatha on top. A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Dha, Ra, Za, Sa, Sha, Sa, Dha, Ta, Dha, A, Gha. Remember the heavy letters that we had so far? Kha, and of course Ra because of the fatha, Sa, and Dha, and Ta, and Dha, and then the Gha. Let's read again. A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Dha, Ra, ز س ش ص ض ط ظ ع غ. And now fast. أ ب د ث ج ح خ د ذ ر ز س ش ص ض ط ظ ع غ.